Kurunji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
Free bus for LKG to 8th standard.
Free, hygienic and nutritious food.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurunji Education Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurunjischoolnkl.in.
Hi students, good morning. In this video session, I would like to start a new chapter belongs to 12th standard. The chapter name is Evolution. Previously, the zoology concepts, some of the zoology concepts already completed. Human reproduction, human being reproduction, health, reproductive health. These two concepts after principles of inheritance and variation. In the principles and inheritance of the variation topic concluded with several genetic disorders. Okay. Then here we are entered the another chapter, evolution. In this evolution, what tells about how the different biodiversity organisms are present in the all over world wise. Okay. So total, what are the principles, what are the philosophy, what is the events are happened to having these different biodiversity existed on that our surrounding places. Let me start today video session. What is the topics in the evolution we want to know. Seenana pointer plus paranga evolution. Evolution means it is a sequence changes, a continuous gradual changes. For what purpose that changes? That changes are present in the surrounding places, in the environment, and then in the living things. Okay. Here any one living thing is changed means that change must be influenced by the surrounding influences. Surrounding influences means environmental influences are there. Okay. Let me start a simple form. Here when you see in the any one organism in the previously, in the beginning, that is that everything is a simple form. In the 11th standard, we started about animal diversity. In that time, invertebrates phylum we seen. In the invertebrates phylum explanation time, levels of organization time, organisms beginning with the organization with cell in condition, cell tissues after organs after organ systems after organism. So gradually what happened, a simple form of the life is converting into the complex life. Here in the complex lifetime, if you need some explanation, in the time I will be recall the 11th standard concept, body organ systems level, triploblastica, diploblastica, symmetrical, asymmetrical, in the bilateral symmetry or radial symmetry. So totally complexity is increasing. Correct na? So here in the evolution chapter, how the organisms are in the form of the simple life form onwards, how they are evaluated, how they are changing the sequence changes to become a complex life. These things we want to know. Okay, it will, the evolution chapter will give the clarity about living organisms origin and then how they are gradual changes are happened in the earlier ages. Okay, then here another explanation, primitive organisms. That primitive organisms onwards, several millions years after, nowadays, now organisms existed today. What are the organisms are existed present days? That organisms are evolved. No doubt at all. In the evolution process, we are all are came from the already pre-existed organisms. Nothing but a small monkey related organism onwards we origin. That previously some other organisms. So here organisms evolved from the primitive organisms to and complex organisms. Okay, that complex organisms only present days we have. That simple form amoeba is a primitive organism. Human being is a present existed highly developed organism that we believe in. Okay, then now here basically after listening of these concept, these words, everybody in your mind you have the one question: how origin of life, how the first life, how it is origin? That is a basic one, correct now? After formation of the life, how that is evolved, then onwards that origin life, how it will be shows on the gradual changes, that is a second question. Okay, so your questions doubts are everything explained in this chapter. So here how origin of life, evolution of in this question want to get clarification. We want to know about these things: evolution of the earth, first how earth is evolved. In that stars, what are the stars are present in our universe? Okay, these things total that whole universe what it is containing. If you know these and all, then only we will know about the life, because of life is existed one place. Okay, first that place which how it is origin, that want to know. So in this chapter several concepts we want to discuss. That some concept side headings I mentioned here. First origin of the life, and then after origin how the evolution process is happened, and then origin wise several scientists are proposing several theories. That theories want to discuss, and then evidences. If anybody said any one theory, we are all are asking evidence. Is there any evidence is there? Na? Without evidence we are not at believe. So proof necessary. So evidences also is there in the evolution. And biological evolution. Biological evolution means here already I said simple form onwards how the complex life is origin. That and all we discussed in the biological evolution. Okay, and then theories of evolution. First origin of life, then theories of evolution, and then next Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. The ending of these concept, one of the scientists are said about a frequency of the allelic frequency. In the allelic frequency time, already we studied allelic. What is the meaning of allele in the previous principles of inheritance and variation chapters? So gene based, constant based on theory proposing by the Hardy and Weinberg. And finally account of the evolution from the earth evaluation after onwards up to now, how many eras, how many millions of billions of years are completed up to now. In this gap of the time duration, how the different organisms are evaluated and extincted. Okay, some of the organisms from the earth evaluation onwards up to now they are existed, but some of the extincted. For example, dinosaurs not at no more, but once upon a time they are existed, correct now? So now extincted. So account of evolution means in the which is the time period, what are the organisms are origin and lead their successful life when they are extincted. That and all account we want to say. And then origin of evolution of human, nothing but anthropology. Anthropology means just study about only human being origin, how human being development. So let me start a deep explanation. What is the meaning of evolution? Every chapter name is giving the something significance, correct now? So here chapter name, that is a evolution. Evolution means unfolding. Something secret is there. What is that secret? This is a secret question. How origin of life? That we want to reveal it. So what is the secret? That behind of that secret, what are the logic? What is the concept is there? That we should be open it. So when we are open any paper, that we called as a unfold. So secret is revealed. Nothing but rolling out. Okay, just mat when you are closing, it is occupying the only small place. When you are rolling out, it is occupying the big space. Just secret is a relieving out. Okay, that is a process in the under evolution. Okay, synonym words here. These evolution chapter, it is a branch of biology tells about origin of life and then diversity of organisms. Why diversity came? Here in our surrounding places, several organisms are there. That several organisms we called as a diversity only na. So diversity of organisms, how it is existed in the total all over the earth, that we want to study in this evolutionary chapter. And then a first time organic evolution, that word is given by the one of the scientists, Herbert Spencer. Scientist names you should be remember nana. In the NEET, one question related with scientists. Okay, so make it one note. Okay, then next one of the scientists is given the one of the important statement. Nothing in biology makes sense except in the light of the evolution. Nothing but if evolution is not at there. If evolution is not at there, in biology nothing. Because of we are studying about the biology mean something we studied in physiology, something anatomy, this and all. That and all want to study means first evolution must be happened. So without evolution in biology is nothing. That statement is given by the Dobzhansky, that is a scientist. Okay, scientist name Dobzhansky. Okay, two scientist names should be remember. And then I entered the second column. Okay, from here onwards, important concept will start. Origin of and evolution of life. Origin of life and nothing but evolution. I mean, first origin of life, then it will be leads to the evolution. In the process of the origin of life, evolutionary biology. Origin of life, it is a branch of evolutionary biology. In the evolutionary biology, what it will happen, what it is tells. It is a study of history of life on the earth. On the earth surface, what are the different organisms are there, how they are evaluated. That and all we studied in the evolutionary biology. And evolution tells about what are the changes that happens in the organisms in the time period zone. Okay, that then now come to the next concept, origin of a universe. First we want to study about the origin of universe. Here 15 to 20 billion years old back, the total universe filled with clusters of galaxies. Clusters of galaxy. That galaxy containing with stars, clouds of gases and some of the dust. See here clusters of the galaxy, stars and clouds and gases and dust, these and all. Now on the time one of the Big Bang happened. Did you heard these word Big Bang? One of the scientists, recently the person is died also. That person name Steve Jobs, correct na? He said about the Big Bang theory. Okay, time zone. Okay, about the first beginning time, this Big Bang theory is proposed by the A.B. Lemaitre. Proposing by the Lemaitre. A.B. Lemaitre in the 1931. What he said, the total universe is happened by the cataclysmic eruption. Cataclysmic eruption process, the total. Now nothing but uncontrolled collisions happened in the universe. Big Bang means a big blast happened in the universe of galaxies. Based on that Big Bangs, a small bigger particles. Particle means I am saying about not a dust particles. A big clusters are happened by the Big Bang process. By the Big Bang process, by the Big Bang process, total Earth, Earth like several galaxies, several particles, asteroids like particles are happened. Why I am using the particles means when I consider the total universe, in that everything is a particle size only. So I am using the particle. But our consider, we are considering into the particle is a big size. Earth is one of the particle in universe. But for ours, Earth is a big size. Okay. Then already I said Big Bang theory is proposed by the Ebby Lamiter in the 1931. Okay, after these Big Bang theory, a total universe having the lot of temperature, that temperature slowly several years after it is lowered, the temperature is cooled down. In the surrounding places several gases, that gases hydrogen and helium, these gases are there. Along with that, by the natural forces, by the forces of natural forces, what are that natural forces? Gravitation. Earth having the gravitation. Why means that is a natural behavior of a natural condition of the earth. Maybe I think so earth having the lot of gravitation elements, so attractive elements, so that's why it is having the ability of the gravitation nature. That gravitation, by that gravitation condense of the these gases, by the condensed what it is formed, galaxies are formed. So several galaxies, in that galaxies Milky Ways are there. In the Milky Ways solar systems are there. In physics already you studied these concepts. Okay, I'm continue the next one. Up to now we started origin of life, origin of universe. Basically we want to study about the origin of life. Before starting about the origin of life, the life existed in the one place, that place is a universe. How universe is a origin, that want to study. Then in the universe we want to present in the earth, so that's why we want to study about how origin of earth. So for 4.5 billion years back, in the 4.5 billion years back, in the one of the Milky Way in the universe, that Milky Way contains several solar systems. We are in the one solar system. In that solar system, totally covered with several substances. Several substances. What are that? Ammonia, one of the element. Okay, but before that ammonia, several helium and hydrogens only is there. But several reactions after ammonia came. Okay, ammonia is origin. Ammonia produced ammonia, carbon dioxide, water vapor and methane. These are the primitive atmospheric gases. Primitive atmospheric gases means when the earth evolved time, origin time, our earth surrounding places are filled with surrounded by these gases. So that's why primitive atmosphere. But nowadays in the atmosphere, this and all not that much more. It is there, but a lot of variation is there based on that quantity. See here, ammonia and carbon dioxide and water vapor, these methane, these and all in the molten mass. Molten mass means in the earth surrounding places what it is present, that and all molten mass it contains. Now in the water vapor, after several days, I mean several years after, that water vapor is break down into H and O. H and water vapor means H2O. That water vapor is condensed and separated, break down into the hydrogen and oxygen by the UV rays. UV rays are liberated by the sun, because of in the solar system sun is a central point, correct now? So by the sun UV rays affect these water vapor is break down. Now the free in the first time oxygen is produced, correct now? When the oxygen is produced, that atmosphere is oxygenated. Then that O2 combined with other components. Several other components reacted with oxygen. The essential components are produced. Along with that, these water vapor condensed from the clouds. After that clouds, when it is get some cool air, then it will condensed. Rain will cause us continuously several years. Rains are fall down on the earth surface. So on the earth surface, water bodies are nothing but oceans. Here oceans water, why it is a salinity mean beginning time of the earth is containing a lot of more minerals. All minerals are by the process of soil erosion. Topmost layer is washed out by the water. By the soil erosion, all the minerals are accumulated in the one place. So that places we call the oceans. That oceans are having the salt condition. Whatever it is, totally water bodies are produced. Then water bodies are, when it is produced, automatically it continues the water cycle. Okay. Then along with water cycle, oxygen also is there, these oxygen continuously reacting with some other components, what that atmosphere changing into the comfortable zone to the life origin. Okay, up to that life is not at origin. Without oxygen life not at possible. Okay, life can't able to sustainable. But a primitive organisms without oxygen also anaerobic respiration wise also it can able to survive. In the continuation videos time we will explain. Okay, we will get clarity. And then up to now origin of universe, origin of earth. When the earth is origin, now we want to know how life is origin on the earth. Okay, for that one several theories are there proposed. Several theories. In that theories, here one of the theory special creation. Okay, this special creation I didn't write here anything because of it is a blind belief. Okay, there is no any evidences. But as a human beings, as a life being, we are all are believing one thing. Okay, total universe, everything is controlling by the God. Okay, we can able to show anything existence of the God, we can't show. So the total universe is created by the God, divine power. Okay, God only created all the organisms. One day God only destroy all the organisms based on their lifespan. That is we believing. Okay, mythological belief. The mythological belief came from the just mythological concept related with their religious concepts. Okay, as are any religious. For example, if you take Bhagavad Gita, in the Bhagavad Gita God said in the universe what it is happened, everything is reason is myself only. The type of statement is there. If instead of the Bhagavad Gita in Bible, the Bible words are Jesus said all the creative power is myself only. I am only creating, I am only destroying. Like the type of statements we seen in the Bible, as like Quran also. So that religious concept, what they conveying to us, the total universal thing, events, everything is controlling by the God mythologically. That is called as a special creation. No evidences. And then next theories onwards, we have some of the evidences. What is that? Here next theory, cosmozoic theory, or else panspermia. What they are saying means in the all our universe they are having the several spores, nothing but rhizophus, bread mold. The bread mold contain the small spores. As like human being wise also several spores are there. In the Big Bang theory time, here we discussed in the Big Bang theory, a big blast, by the process of the Big Bang theory, big blast, these spores are unfortunately accidentally spread out all our universe. When that spores are attains a particular convenient environment, then that spores will be started to germinate. Okay, like that a human being also origin from the human being spores. That is one of the theory. Okay, all the things, what are the living things are present now on the earth, everything having the origin from the several spores. Okay, that is one of the theory. So cosmozoic. Now in this time I want to say one physics law, cosmic energy. In the physics you studied this one. In the universe, and the cosmic energy is there. That cosmic energy is transformed into the one place to another place in the form of the photons, quantum numbers. You studied the quantum power. That quantum powers contains the spores. Okay, that spores are to give the life. Okay, like that aliens also one of the type of the spores onwards their origin. That type of belief is there. Okay, but aliens are present on other planet, not at on Earth. Okay, because of in the other planets maybe their environmental conditions differ from the Earth. Based on their environmental conditions, aliens may be present. Okay, don't ask whether it really present or not. Some of the controversy questions will be arise, whatever it is. But it is a proof. Some of the proof, spores, are they find it. Okay, and then next one, spontaneous generation. These spontaneous generation of origin of life also called as a abiogenesis. Okay, abiogenesis. Abiogenesis means without life. Okay, there is no any living things. From the unfortunately, accidentally, or a general process of the natural process, it is happened. What it is happened? Life origin is happened. Who believed that one? Aristotle. These persons, Aristotle, Tesla, Pluto, these and all more philosophers. These and all not a scientists. Those and all philosophers. Okay, they are always thinking in their mind. Several questions are there. Always they are thinking about that questions. Finally, he realized about some of the concepts that they are giving these type of statements. Spontaneously, life is origin. Okay, so that's why they given the name is a abiogenesis. Okay, and Tesla and another scientist, Pluto, von Helmont, these scientists are accepted spontaneous generation. Okay, and then next one, catastrophisms. Catastrophism theory. Catastrophism theory, it is a one of the concept in the special creation. Okay, what is the link I will tell. Catastrophes means that natural disasters will happen. Time period, one time period to another time period, catastrophes will cause a natural calamity. What is that natural calamity? Total all organisms are a washout or extincted. Okay, nothing but in this time I will be recall the one of the movie 2020 or 2012, one movie is there. We are all felt one thing, maybe 2012 December 21st, total all the universe will be extinct, like that type of rumors came. Okay, so once upon a time it has happened. Some of the evidences now I will say. These catastrophism theory proposing by the Gores Curvier, these scientists proposed. What he said, periodic catastrophes are causes to evolution. Okay, some of the time periods after a big natural calamity will come. Now, for evidences, you need some clarification. Here special creation method is there. That special creation method I will link with these catastrophisms. In the Hindu mythology, Treta Yuga, Satya Yuga, Treta Yuga, Dwapara Yuga, Kali Yuga, these are the 4 yugas. Each and every yuga ending position, total all the earth will sin in the ocean. For example, here Dwapara Yuga, Dwarka Nagar, one of the place, Krishna place. Now that Dwarka Nagar present in the ocean, inside of the ocean. NASA also accepted it is presence in the under the sea. Why? What happened means at the end of that Yuga, Dwapara Yuga, the total cyclone happened. One of the biggest cyclone by the oceans. The total oceans are filled the total earth. After washout of the total earth, again recreation will be there. So one particular time period to time period, catastrophes will come. By that only it will causes. By that one only life is origin. Now I am not only explaining the Hindu mythology. In the Christian mythological concept also, one of the event happened in the Christian mythology also. See, in the Bible, one story is there. In the natural calamity or arising time, Jesus is collected all the organisms of one kind of organisms from the one species, take him to in the boat, one big ship. After natural calamity, after catastrophe, again he recreated the total universe, total organisms. The type of stories are there. So evidences by the time to time period catastrophes will come. By the catastrophes, one of the evidence. Okay, then next one, biogenesis. These biogenesis is one of the acceptable theory by some of the scientists. One scientist already experimental evidences he is shown. Was the scientist Louis Pasteur. We know rabies vaccine introduced by the Louis Pasteur, and pasteurization process also, milk pasteurization. That scientist only. What he said, here any organism is a origin mean that new organisms origin from the pre-existed organism. This word similar to in the 11th standard cell concept studying time, new cell origin from the pre-existing cell. That is a statement. Based on that, here also any new organism origin from the already existed organism. For example, human being is a new organism. That new organism origin from the monkey madri one organism. Okay, chimpanzee, gorilla. Okay, once upon a time, human being is also similar to the gorilla, chimpanzee like. But after several years, drastic modifications after human being is evolved. Okay, because of evolutionary process. Here he said one of the experimental explanation, span neck flask experiment. What he did means, he taken some of the meat, boiled meat in the one flask neck. He closed all the opening places. After several days, 1 week after, he broken that glass. Inside of that flask, he observed some of the microorganisms. Okay, how it came means, when I closing time, he said like this, when I closing of that neck of the flask neck, already some of the spores are entered into the inside. From that spores onwards, microorganisms are germinated, like that type of explanation he given. So these are the some of the theories of regarding to origin of life after earth origin. One of the correct explanation regarding origin of life, one theory is there. That theory I will continue on the next video. That theory name co-conservative theory or chemical evolution. A organism, a primitive life origin from the chemicals. That chemicals combined together several years sequence orders after reactions after sequence reactions after a primitive organisms are origin. That there is having a proper evidences. That evidences I will continue on the next video. In